Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and watching CGHOW video. Today I create this simple effect. This is not actually effect but a situation where these green particles taking the position from these red particle and then facing to this center core particle. And this center core particle is also the red particles same emitter, but I did something, so I have one particle here that is glowy and bigger. So these two things you will learn in this tutorial from scratch. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So in this video, we will create a scratch pad to face the particle rotation to other particles. So one particle will face to the other particles is actually emitter. So what I'll do, I'll show you what I'm talking about. And my throat is not well today, so my voice sound weird. So we have this particle